In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a Payoneer account to your Adobe Stock profile. This process is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to the official Adobe Stock website. Log into your account or sign up if you're new. Once you're on your dashboard, make sure your profile is complete by clicking Complete Profile and filling out any missing details. Next, scroll down to the Payment Information section. This is where you set up how you want to receive payments for your contributions. Look for Payoneer and click Connect. If you already have a Payoneer account, just log in and authorize the connection. If not, you can quickly create a new Payoneer account by entering your details and completing their verification process. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish linking your accounts. Once complete, double-check your payment information to ensure everything is accurate. And that's it, your Payoneer account is now linked to Adobe Stock, ready for you to receive payments smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy selling.